Okay, we're going to do some more percentages. But last time it gave us the percent, and we had to multiply that by the bigger number to see which smaller number is that percentage. Okay, now this time we have to find the percent. Okay, we'll end up finding a decimal and we'll convert that to a percent. So 24 is what percent of 96? So we're going to do is over of. Okay, so 24 is what percent of 96? So we make that into a fraction. 24, which is my red line, is my is. 96 is my of. Okay, is of. So they're all color coordinated. The of goes on the bottom. The is goes on the top. Then I'm just going to divide. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, set up this here division problem. Okay, 24 divided by 96. Now 96 is much bigger than 24, so I'm going to have to use some decimals. Now, 96 doesn't go into 2, it doesn't go into 24, so I put my decimal, and I move my decimal up top here, but it goes into 242 times. Okay, when I multiply 2 times 96, I get 192. When I subtract 240 from 192, I get 48. And I have to bring this 0 down to make it 480. 96 goes into 480 5 times. 5 times 96 is 480. When I subtract the 2, I get 0. So I don't have anywhere else to go. I have 0.25. Okay? Now, I know, oops, let me get this copied. I know that 0.25 equals 25%. Okay? 0.25 equals 25% because I know that I have to move the decimal over to the right to make it a percent. Okay, in the last lesson, you know how we took the percent, we moved the decimal over 2 places to the left to get our decimal form. Well, we move it over 2 places to the right to get the percent form. So we know that 24 is 25% of 96. Okay, and we use division, and we set up our division by going is over of. 24 is goes on the top, of 96 goes on the bottom, then we divide.